Here's my note card. You've probably all heard the classic speech about not cheating from your college professor, your high school professor, or even your high school principal. Every time I hear this speech, I'm reminded of this quotation: "Cheaters never win, and winners never cheat." My interpretation of this quotation is that if you cheat, it will come to harm you more than it will help you. And if you're confident about what you're doing, you won't have to cheat. I totally agree with this quotation, as it reflects in only a few words what a whole 20-minute speech could tell you about why you shouldn't cheat and the effects of cheating. So today I want to tell you about the negative effects of cheating and the positive effects of not cheating. I'll first discuss cheating on tests, second, cheating on assignments, third, cheating on your job, and fourth, the positive effects of not cheating on all three of these. First, cheating on a test. This is the most common type of cheating because a test is usually a stressful environment where you are required to put into action what you learned from your homework. Many people either didn't do the homework, they find the environment very stressful, or they just want a good grade and don't care about the class, and this is why they cheat. Now, not only will this hurt you if you take another class that you need to know material from the last class, it will also harm you if you get a job that requires you to know the information. And you'll probably get fired soon after because your boss realizes you don't know what you're doing. Cheating on assignments, people think is a lot less worse than cheating on tests because it's not worth as many points. But if you cheat on assignments, you won't know what to do on the test, and you will probably cheat on the test as well. I just talked about cheating on tests and cheating on assignments. I'll not talk about cheating at work. There are two types of cheating at work. First, plagiarism, or copying someone else's work and calling it your own. And second, cheating on your employer or your company. Now, cheating on your employer or company, for me, means working an 8-hour day and instead of working a 9-hour day and getting paid for 9 hours. Basically, stealing time from the company and also stealing money. And I think this is a form of cheating because you're cheating on that 1 hour that you were supposed to work. The other form, plagiarism, I think is very bad because not only are you stealing someone else's work, but if you ever find out, you could lose your job, which is really not worth having to actually work and do what your boss told you to do. I just talked about the effects of cheating in the workplace. Now let's talk about the positive effects of not cheating. If you did the homework in a class and you take the test and you are confident, you won't need to cheat, and then because of this you will get a good grade. People that don't do the homework are not confident in what they're doing and feel that they have to cheat to get a good grade. But later they'll get found out and eventually get a bad grade. And this is why winners never cheat. Also, in the workplace, you'll be much more respected and actually keep your job if you know what you're doing and you will have a sense of purpose in doing that job. Lastly, we just talked about the quotation, cheaters never win and winners never cheat. I interpreted that quotation to mean that if you are confident in something, you won't cheat, and if you have the inkling to cheat, then you're not confident in your abilities. I definitely agree with this quotation wholeheartedly. Today, I told you about the effects of cheating on tests, the effects of cheating on assignments, and the effects of cheating in the workplace, and the positive effects of not cheating. I hope that the next time that you hear another one of these speeches about cheating, that you will better understand it and agree with it now that you've heard what I have to say. Thank you.